more talking, there's no more chirping. You don't have to do that type of things. You come out here and you prove you're the best team in the country on the field every time. Come on, you're the best. Let's go.
What's up, youth prospects? Fastest 2028, Ethan Torres. We're here with SBA up here in the WWBA. We're gonna get the ship here and bring it home. Let's go. Chipotle or Chick-fil-A?
Oh, wow, it's Chipotle. Wait. My order? Alright, this is how it goes. You go, yo, let me get a burrito. They're like, okay, we can do that. And then you gotta get white rice, black beans, chicken, queso, sour cream cheese, and the corn. That's how you do it right there.
Who's winning the World Series?
How many games? Alright, so I'm calling it right now. The Texas Rangers are gonna win the World Series, and they're gonna win the series in Game 6. ¿Cómo estás?
Yay.
Yeah. Oh no, you better whip out the translator. Oh.
How much are you going to strike out today?
37.
Yeah.
Game plan. Trying to mercy this team like 3 innings, give up no runs, and then we're set for pool play. I mean bracket play.
Oh yeah, wet the field.
And not go over.
All right, today's the day. That's where the men show up. All right, bracket day is where the men show up. All right, you want to make your name and you do all the fancy stuff and the Select Fest and all the fancy stuff. Today is where you make that happen. All right, big guys show up in big games. All right, so it starts today. All right, so let's go. Get into the game.
Why would you spray paint? Show him this one. Show him this. Stop, Pop. Dang, you can't even get this thing out. Look at that. Bro randomly started spray painting stuff. Just thought it was gonna be good.
Also have it, so.
Yeah. All right, we gotta go. Because we're all the way over there. Thank you.
Bro, hurry up. That guy's so hilarious.
Alright. Shut up. Yeah, I will say it. I see you striking. Zach Bryan is tough. Oh no, he has some bad songs. Every single one of his songs is bad. Yeah, bro. Like he's catchy. Like it's ticking. If you play Zach Bryan in my car, you're never pretty much anyone besides country music. Bro, country music's tough. No. I don't really like Morgan Wallen. Oh my god. Morgan was the best one. No. Yes, bro, you're like the type to listen to T Swift, bro. Bro, I don't listen to Taylor Swift, bro. He's live, bro. He definitely have a playlist full of Taylor Swift. No, I don't. I couldn't name you one song. Striker, bro. What you be listening? Besides, like, I came in like a wrecking ball. I know that one. That's my favorite song when I was little. What are you listening to right now? El Dorado or whatever. El Dorado.
Good, feeling good. Feeling like we could go pretty far. I don't know who we play yet, but we should do pretty good. That's pretty much it.
What's for lunch?
Chipotle.
Is it even?
Yo, who do we play? Are these tough or not? Y'all look,
yeah.
Who do we play? I'm checking. Y'all look good in these? No.
You look good too. You look wow.
Who do we play? SBA Florida.
Who's 1 seed?
Canes.
Who's 2? Us. No. We're 4.
I don't lie.
Alright, bro, can you stop singing, bro?
Nate, bro, you was driven, dog.
I got it. gone.
That's gone.
Not gone.
Oh, that's most definitely on the IG.
Did you see his story? Bro, it's bad. Go look at it. All right, so if we win every single game, you buzz your hair.
Wait, when did you start growing that out?
Shake on it.
Oh.
Shake on it. Shake on it, bro. Come on. Oh, my
If
back
we
is
win-
hurt.
Nah, I can't. I
Bro,
can't.
what are you
I cut
You're
this like,
homeschooled anyway.
I cut it like once a year.
Like where? Like how much?
Just a little trim, like 3-4 inches.
A lot of
This
trim.
thing's a lifestyle, baby.
This thing's a lifestyle, baby.
Dude, I
Why
went to
not?
a restaurant like this. I didn't even need
She's
to.
drip, bro.
Someone asked me if it was Ash Wednesday.
Ash Wednesday.
Yes, she saw it and she was looking at me and I was like, are you recording me?
Ash Wednesday is not even Wednesday.
I know. She was like, are you okay? And I was like,
Tell her you
yeah.
play softball.
And she was like, what's on your face? And I was like, oh, it's a whole story. And so I had to show her y'all's pictures and she was like, okay, that's weird. And then that was it.
How do you explain drip?
Bro, everybody knows what drip is.
How do you like?
Okay, drip is
Yo, get
like
the drip
you
king,
look
get the
good.
drip
That's not
king.
the point of the video.
Drip is like looking good.
Get the drip king, get the drip king, bro. I don't know. Ask the drip king.
Who's a drip
That's
king?
you.
It was fun.
He's a famous TikTok.
Trenton? Oh, is it like a real?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's literally his name.
Oh,
The drip
okay, we'll tag him in it. You can tell
Tag
what
him in
is.
it. No, because he plays lacrosse. I don't like lacrosse.
He plays lacrosse like a jetty.
Yes, bro. Who plays lacrosse?
Oh, yeah,
And they say baseball has the worst
Hey, y'all
drip.
don't know what a jetty means.
Oh yeah,
Nah,
chutty,
yeah,
do
yeah,
chutty,
yeah,
do
yeah,
chutty,
yeah,
do
we know.
chutty.
All right, so basically chutty, right? So if you're a jetty, you can't explain it, it's just a jetty.
You're a jutty. You're just a jutty.
It's not like a fat person. No, I'm saying that's,
Hey, yo,
that's,
T-Mont,
it's not, that's not what it
Trendyn,
means. I'm saying it
Trendyn.
means like who's a jutty? Like Dariel. He's a jutty. Look at him. Just look at him. Jutty.
Hey.
Braden's also a jutty too. And Nate.
What?
Yeah.
Is that good or bad?
I don't know what that. I don't even know how to spell that word.
It's chutty.
CHUDD. What?
That is
Chut.
not.
That's chut.
That's not Briss. Next. Wait, is it actually? Like even.
Way to pitch the ball, Fritz, wherever you're at. Where you at? Good job. Good job. Throw the ball. All right, starts on the mound. He only had one walk. I think he only had about 2 hits, so really good job. Okay, what, 5 innings? All right, good job. All right, hey, the next game is looks like it's gonna be Wild Factor, the national team. So this is what we come here for. This is what we get together for. This is what we play for games like that, and it gets the Canes and people like that. Okay, so your next game is huge. All right, so come out here ready to execute, ready to do your thing. Fogel, you got the ball.
Let's go, baby.
It's your ball. Okay.
Let's go, baby.
Remember that. I tell all of our pitching staff this. No one can beat you. The only thing that can beat you is you beat yourself, right? Hey, get into it, bro. Now it's fun. 3 games left to win it. All right. Now we're getting there. We're getting there. This is where it gets fun. All right, got anything? No. You got it? All right, good job. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, bolts on 3, fam out 6, 1, 2, 3.
Bolts, family. Let's go.
All right, so we just won 9-1, pretty easy dub. Now we're got to go all the way back to the other fields to play, I think, Wild Factor. Should be a good game, but we should get the dub.
Era blanco. ¿Cómo se dice terapia? Por el brazo.
Sunburn?
Wait, what? Terapia. Por el brazo. Oh, therapy. He did the Mark Pro.
No sé.
The thing that like makes your arm vibrate, yeah. Arm therapy. Yeah.
We'll probably throw Lito and Drew. Yeah, because that way we can, or no, we'll have a lefty against you guys. We'll have two lefties. There's another kid, he throws like 82, 83. Him? He can throw still?
86. Who y'all gonna pitch? Brody?
No, we pitching Motley.
Are you serious?
No, we probably pitch Brody or Motley, yeah.
Did Brody already pitch? So you gonna pitch against us?
Probably. You better get locked in. What y'all got sponsored? By Under Armour?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're like that.
We sponsored by Under Armour.
Be quiet.
I'd rather have these pants than those.
Hey, those are tough though, bro.
Sorry.
Right now, let's go.
Yeah,
that's my motivational speech.
Let's go. Let's pray.
Not that hard, bro.
Let's pray.
Not that hard.
Who's got it?
Come here, Hudson.
Hudson.
Okay, I got it.
Take it home.
Dear God, thank you for this day. Thank you we can come here and play ball. I just pray that we can play hard as a family and help us get this win. Just in our prayer.
Amen. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
T, break it down, boys.
Go!
Hey, balls on 3, fan out 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey!
See, are you at third?
Yeah, no.
Ready, say yeah! Okay, Owen!
Yeah.
Good boy. Hey, go! Got him! Come on, that's off the top. Get there, ready, get there.
Bring it down!
Hold on to it for me, please. Thank you.
box, pitch hitting. Duck and box, pitch hitting. Go, Let's go in! No! Go! Yeah!
Everything.
Remember what I tell you. What happens? Whoever makes the first mistake, all right? They made the first mistake, correct? They jumped on it. They thought they won the World Series. It was 1-0. They had you down. They had you do. Listen, you're everybody's World Series. We already get that. Every one of you Select Fest players and all the fancy accolades that come with it. But it doesn't matter. You still got to go in here and you got to prove it on the field every time you do that. And tonight you did that. So you should feel proud of yourself for that, okay? Because that's a hell of a team. They're well coached. That's a good group of kids. And listen, sometimes it gets personal. Sometimes it's just baseball. And that makes it fun. And I was telling Will, like when the 5th inning or something, these are moments that we come for. This makes it worth it. Okay, these are the games that we want to play and be involved in and grow as a player. Does that mean everybody did great? No. If you struggle with the play or you struggle with whatever, then we just learn from it and we get better. But that's why you're the best team in the country. What did we talk about the other day in the meeting? What's not an option? Losing is not an option here. We're gonna find a way to win, period. It may not be pretty, it may be ugly, and we may have to find a way. We may have to hit a slow roller third base with the slowest runner in the country running down the line for them to throw it away for us to win a game. Hey, bro, that's baseball, bro. You know what the best thing was? The best thing was, let me tell you what. How many times do you think, and I told this to Coach Will too, that we're gonna come up first and third with, my opinion, the 2 best hitters in the country, and they both strike out with nobody on base? That's not gonna happen often. Okay, but you know what the greatest thing was? Is that striker who's new to the team put a really ground ball and hit it to third base and picked them both up, and we won the game. That's the difference, guys. That's the difference. Okay, there's dogs and there's guys that come out in these big moments that want the ball in the moments. All right, and I'm proud of y'all, and I'm proud of the way you played. All right, now tomorrow's not going to be easy. You're going to face probably the Canes, and they like to tell us they're the greatest team in the world. But you know what the thing is? You have the opportunity to go on the field and show them that they're not. So I'm hoping we're playing Avenue, looked at the scores, but I pray that they won because we want to play. Win, lose, draw. But I tell you one thing, losing ain't an option. So we're going to come out here, we're going to battle, and we're going to go after it, and we're going to give them our best effort, and they're going to have to really beat us. Okay, that's the one thing that people are going to walk away after this season's over from years previous. When you play us, we're going to play with class, and we're going to do it the right way, and you're going to have to beat us. You're going to have to beat us because it's going to be easy to beat to Darrow and all the stuff that comes around. Yeah, I mean, look, my son struck out, and the pitcher said, "Fuck LSU." I'm cool with that. I got no problem with that. I got no problem with that. You know what? Because one day he's going to have to face him. You know, and that's baseball. That's the way it goes, man. That's what gives people the edge. And going, I like y'all getting to the dugout and getting into the game. All right, it's an early day tomorrow, so let's go. All right, let's go. I love it.
Let's go. Both on three, fan on 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Can I get a team picture for PG real quick?